Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix auto scroll down problem on Windows 11 laptop. First method is update mouse driver automatically. Second method is update mouse driver from my computer. Third method is change mouse settings. Fourth method is change system configuration settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.